This foot-cracking madman you see before your very own eyes. He is that 44-time Guinness Book World Record holder. Let's put our hands together for Australia's favorite sideshow son, the Space Cowboy. That's right, Space Cowboy here. He has 44 Guinness World Records. He has records for swallowing swords, juggling chainsaws, and you guessed it, cracking whips. He's just doing a little taste, a little tease, a demonstration of something he actually does on the inside. Cracking those whips with style and grace. One more time, let's make a loud noise for the one and only Space Cowboy! Now friends, he loves cracking those whips, but he only did that so he can show you this. As I said, world record holder, he wants to juggle 3 chainsaws on top of a 12-foot tall unicycle. Next week, he's going to juggle 3 unicycles on top of a 12-foot tall chainsaw. Maybe, I don't know. Now, what we have here is a Makita chainsaw. Now, what we did is we removed every single safety feature on that chainsaw. That's right, guys, we made a chainsaw more dangerous. So you'll see for yourself how that chain will be spinning at all times. Those skeptics in the audience have a piece of wood. Watch carefully. Surgical precision, just like a hot knife through butter. Guys, during this act, one small slip could be a trip to the hospital. Who knows? Maybe a trip to the morgue. I'll for you guys anything. Here we go. Oh, rev it up a little bit. Give it a little bit of juice. A little bit of chainsaw juggling, guys. Pull your camera phone. We only have one question for you. You guys want to see it? Yeah, no, that was horrible. Guys, this is the free show on the outside. This costs you nothing. Most of these people have tickets for the show. For the rest of you, this ain't gonna cost you a penny. The only thing we ask right now is your enthusiasm, your will, and your good cheer for a man that's about to risk his life for your demented entertainment. You wanna see chainsaw juggling? Why didn't you say so? Here we go, guys. Give us some love. Everybody all together, clap your hands. If you have a beer in your hand, just smack yourself in the face with the free one. That's right. That's 1. That's 2. That's 3. Make some noise. Get fancy. Get fancy. Here we go. Behind the back. Behind the other back. How many backs does he have? Going up high, reaching the sky. Going up high, trimming the trees. Under the right, near the belly bits, in like a pretty ballerina with a beautiful spin. Boom. Space Cowboy. Still spinning, look at it go. One more round of applause for Space Cowboy, ladies and gentlemen. He's going to be on the inside of our next show. He's swallowing glory.